Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to review and kinda unbox it. It's kinda new. I bought this as a birthday present for my husband. Is it approved by my husband or not? It is a Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. It's the newest Samsung watch. Let's unbox this. It has a Bluetooth and a Wi-Fi and a GPS. It's open already, so we're just gonna open the box. So my husband used it several times now. As you can see, when you open the box, it shows the very beautiful watch. You wouldn't expect this is a smartwatch because it looks like a regular watch, a men's regular watch. Unlike the Apple Watch, the size is square, but this one is circle. It's a round shape and looks like a real watch. I mean the regular watch that we're used to. When you open the box, you'll see like this, and the attachment or the extra band, watch band, is here underneath. So when you turn it over, all the accessories is right here, the extra watch band and the charger. So it's kind of neat when you open the box, and you wouldn't notice the extra accessories is just right beneath, or when you turn the box, the cover of the box, it's just right here. So here's the wristband or the extra band, and the charger is there right here. Come on. Okay, it's right here. You charge this to just lay it flat like this, and you charge it in your computer or your USB outlet. When you're charging, you just put it like that. It is a magnetic charger, so when you just put it like this, you will hear a snap. As you can see, it snaps, but you always charge it laying down. Okay, so that's the charger, and here is the extra wristlet. The watch has a leather look. I mean, it's leather, but it's not really a genuine leather. And here's the extra band, and it's silicone. If you don't want like a leather look, you can use this, something like that. The Galaxy Watch 3, it doesn't come with instruction. You have to look the instruction over the internet. There's an app that you can look up how to operate and how to troubleshoot the watch. So let's look at the physical aspect of the watch. So as I said a while ago, it really looks like a regular watch. You will never thought this is a smartwatch. So it has a leather strap. It says here it's a premium genuine leather. I'm not really an expert for the leather, but it seems like a regular leather wristband. This one is 45 mm. It's bigger. It's the biggest size of the Galaxy Watch. And the color is Mystic Black. Well, if I'm going to choose the size of the watch, I really like this kind of big watch. I am going to borrow this to my husband. Once in a while, I want to wear this. It's really nice. I already set this up. When you turn this on, just hit that button or this button. There you go. The second button right here. It's the power button. Okay, as you can see, my husband turned it to gray mode. I set this up to tap it 3 times with 2 fingers to put it in color mode. There you go. So I'm going to put it in really bright. This is the brightest. This one you call the bezel. So when you turn the app like that, you can always use this bezel. It's much easier. So you don't have to swipe the watch. It's much easier to use the bezel. But if you want, you can always use the swipe method. There's a lot of apps here. Actually, it's just like your cell phone. This one can be connected to your phone through Bluetooth. If someone's calling you, you can use this watch instead of your phone. So there's a mic here and a speaker as well. And if someone texted you, or if you want to text someone, you can also do this. So here's the text, here's the call, and you can always put your pictures right here. So it's like a small phone in your arm. Mainly this is for active people, so who wants to go running, their activities, physical activities like running, jogging, swimming as well. The main thing why I bought this smartwatch for my husband is, according to Samsung, you can monitor your heart rate. Yeah, I already tested that out. It's really working well. And another thing I like about this is their EKGs and their blood pressure measurement. And somehow, unfortunately, in United States, that app it's not working. So if you're in Korea or in other countries that EKGs and blood pressure monitoring or app is working, this is a good watch. But here in US, it's still not working, or they don't have the app yet. Okay, so when you scroll down, so use the bezel. What kind of app is this? Oh, so this is the app, your activity. So when you do workout, it'll show you how much calorie you lost in how many minutes or how many hours. It's like your cell phone. You can always rearrange the apps, the icons, whatever you like. This is activity watch. So mainly for active persons. So running, cycling, swimming, and more. So running, walking, hiking, swimming outdoor, treadmill, exercise, bike, elliptical trainer, circuit training, weight machine, other workouts. You can always monitor your activities right here. The next one is, you can see the weather app. We live in San Diego right now. It's 55 degrees. It's cold right now. And you see the humidity is right there. The next one is calendar. You could always add an event. It will notify you everything that you put in there. And this one, so that's the speaker. I heard that you can use the Spotify here. You can download that and listen to your music here. And then it will count your heart rate, monitor your activities, and you can use word clock as well, just like your cell phone. And then you can add another widget, whatever you like, you can put it there. And here's the shortcut, so you can put it in night mode. This is the do not disturb, ring mode, mute or vibrate sound, like that. The power button, the setting, watch. Your watch is, when you hit that, your watch is always on. so it's not gonna turn off when you put it in your wrist. And then there's a theater mode, so when you go inside the theater, you can just hit that so it's not that really bright. There's a water lock. When you hit that water lock and you want to turn that off, just hit this, and it says here, press and hold the home key for 2 seconds to turn off water lock and eject water. So this one, and then eject water. And then it says there, water lock off, ejecting water. Press again. Okay, shake it up when there's water. Okay. Okay, so that's the water lock. You can always use the bezel. There's a Wi-Fi, your battery, and your brightness. If you want to do the Bluetooth and airplane mode, there's a torch and there's the search area. There you go. There's the flashlight. This one is really bright. This flashlight. I like this app. And you can always change your watch face. So just go to your settings, and this is the watch faces. So you can always change it. Select watch face. There's a lot of choices to choose from. It's a lot. So if you want this one, it's simple. And go to face watch again, change it. You can always customize your face watch. You can always edit on your phone. So the thing is, you have to download the app to connect it to your phone. If you need to customize anything, you don't have to do it on your wristwatch, in your Samsung Galaxy Watch, or you can always customize it in your cell phone. If you want like really digital watch right here, you can use this one. Or you can always change whatever you want. Watch always on, watch face order, notification, everything is here. All the apps, sound and vibration, the display, brightness. So that's the highest, 10. And then auto low brightness is on. Brightness will be adjusted automatically in low light situation. Screen timeouts. So there's double press, the one that I showed you. If you wanna not to consume a lot of batteries, I set 3 taps like that. Oh, hold on. To convert it or to change it to a gray mode. So this will conserve batteries. Everything is gray like that, black and white. So this will conserve batteries, or if you're going to sleep at night and you don't want too bright, you can use this setting. So let's put it back. As far as I remember, I also set this to magnify. Use one finger, 3 taps. So that's going to magnify your phone like that. Wanna go there, go there. Okay, so let's put it back. Went back to normal. Okay, let's go back to the setting again. So watch faces, apps, display, advanced, connection, general, just the date, time, accessibility. If you want a voice assist, it also comes with it. For me, I don't like it. It's kinda a little confusing for me, and I think it's hard to manipulate the phone using a voice assist. For sure, for others, if they wanted a voice assist, they can always use that, or voice assistant. So there's a security and privacy as well, location, if you want to turn on the location in your account, and the battery, monitoring, software battery, connect to new phone. You can always do that if you have a new phone. I forgot to tell you that this phone can be used with your iPhone, or you can use it to your Android phone, which is a good thing for the Samsung Watch. But if you're using an iWatch, you can't use the iWatch to a Samsung phone or to any Android phone. But this one, it's very versatile. You can use it to iPhone and other cell phones or any Android cell phones. Yeah, that's why I like Samsung Watch. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, this size is 45 mm. It retails for $429.99. But I'm sure there's a lot of deals like in Costco and other stores like in Walmart. Probably you can get it cheaper, but in Samsung website it costs $429.99. My husband loves it, but he doesn't really love it. He'll probably rate it like 8 because there are flaws. It's not really perfect for him. The bezel is really soft, so it's really sensitive. Sometimes my husband accidentally hit the running thing and it will do that. So it's really sensitive. It's kind of annoying for him. He doesn't like that. But I'm not really into a really high-tech phone. Probably if it is like $50 or $100, I'll buy this. But for $400 and you're not gonna love it 100%, it's not good for me. I can give this 9 out of 10. It's not really perfect for me. I like the look. I like how it's easy to navigate, and the only thing is the sensitivity of this. It's really sensitive. So I think you can always adjust it, but the bezel, if you're not gonna use this, if you're not gonna activate it, what's the use of the watch? I hope you like how I review this watch. I hope it helps you decide if you're going to get this kind of watch. I think in the future, I will get it for myself. If the EKGs and the blood pressure app is running and it's available in United States, I'll get it in the future. But now, I'll probably won't get it because of the other flaws of this watch. Okay, that's it for my review and unboxing of this watch. I hope you like it. I hope it will help you decide whether you're gonna get this watch or not. I hope you have a great day, and please subscribe to my channel. My channel is BeyPel, this channel, and my other channel, my vlogging channel, BeyPel Vlogs, and my other cooking channel is My Kitchen, My Place. So I hope you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment and share this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye!